Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome. I am Muhammad Yamni and you are watching my YouTube channel where we are about to unveil the newest video. The topic is what is the difference between leader and manager. Let's get started. The term leader and manager are often used interchangeably, but there are a significant difference between these two. A leader is someone who inspires and motivates others to work towards a shared vision or goal, while the manager is someone who plans, organizes, and controls resources or achieves specific object. A leader is someone who inspires and motivates others to work towards a shared vision or goal, while the manager is someone who plans, organizes, and control the resources to achieve a specific objective. In Islamic history, there are many examples of the both leaders and managers who have made significant contribution to their communities. An example of a great leader in Islamic history is the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He's not only had a clear vision for the Muslim community, but also inspires his followers through his exemplary character, compassion, and wisdom. He led by example, and his leadership qualities contribute to inspire millions of the people around the world. On the other hand, an example of a manager in Islamic history is the Umar ibn al-Khattab, the second Caliph of Islam. Umar was known for his exceptional management skills and his ability to organize resources effectively. He established a system of government that ensures justice and fairness for all, and he was known for his rigorous management of public treasury. In summary, while the both leadership and management are important for success, they require different skills and qualities. A leader inspires and motivates people, while the manager plans and controls resources to achieve a specific objective. In Islamic history, there are many examples of the both leaders and managers who have made significant contributions to their communities. That is the difference between leader and manager. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.